mark any 2 points A and B on that one. Draw line AB I have drawn. Now first we have to construct angle 120 degree. For that we have to construct 60 degree. How to construct a 60 degree? I will explain once again. With the center A and any convenient radius, you have to draw an arc. Where the arc intersects the line, mark it as P. Now with the center P and same radius, draw another arc. Mark the intersection as Q. Now with the center at Q and same radius, center at Q and same radius, you have to draw another arc. Mark it as R. This is P, this is the point Q, and this is the point R. Now angle RAP equal to 120 degree. Now join AR. So this is the angle. We constructed angle RAP equal to 120 degree. Now we have to construct 90 degree angle. For that, with the center R and radius more than half of RQ, we can draw an arc. I have drawn an arc. With the same radius, center at Q, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection as S. We can mark the point of intersection as S. Now join AS. Join AS. Now angle SAP equal to angle SA. Here if you are marking a point L, angle SAL, that is also equal to 90 degree. Now see here we can mark a point. We can mark it as T. Now angle RAT equal to 30 degree, because this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 120 degree. So 120 minus 90 will give 30. 120 degree minus this 90 degree, so it will give 30 degree. I will write it here. Angle RAP minus angle SAP equal to, RAP is 120 degree minus 90 degree equal to 30 degree. Now we have to bisect this angle. We will get a 15 degree. So the required angle we will get it by adding with the 90 degree. So now we have to bisect angle RAT. For that we can take a center at R and radius more than half of RT. Draw an arc. Now with the center at T and same radius, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection as U. Join AU. Join AU. Now this is the angle, required angle measure 105 degree. That is angle UAB equal to 105 degree, which is the required angle. Now you can verify by using protractor. See here, this is the angle measure 105 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 120 degree. Okay, we bisect this angle, so we get 105 degree. 90 plus 15 degree. You can see perfectly it is 105 degree is the required angle we constructed. Now we can write the steps for construction. First, draw a line AB. At A, I have drawn a line AB. At A, construct 60 degree and 120 degree. Here we have constructed 60 degree and 120 degree. So angle RAP equal to 120 degree. Now with the center R and radius more than half of RQ, with the center R, draw an arc. With the same radius, center at Q, draw another arc which intersect the previous arc, mark it as S. Now join AS. So we get angle SAP equal to 90 degree. Mark the point of intersection of arc with the SAP as T. This point we can mark it as T. Now with the center at R and radius more than half of RT, draw an arc. With the center T, same radius, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection as U. Now join AU. Now angle UAB equal to 105 degree, which is the required measure of angle we have to construct. That is, the required measure of angle is angle UAB equal to 105 degree.